Question 1. What is the difference between var, let, and const in JavaScript? Answer. Var is function scoped and can be redeclared and updated within its scope. It also gets hoisted, meaning it's accessible before its declaration. Let is block scoped, which means it's only accessible within the block it's defined in. It can be updated but not redeclared in the same scope. Const is also block scoped and is used for variables that should not be reassigned. While the variable itself cannot be reassigned, the contents of objects or arrays declared with const can still be modified. Question 2. What is a closure in JavaScript? Closure is a feature where an inner function has access to the outer function's variables even after the outer function has finished executing. This allows the inner function to remember the environment in which it was created. Question 3. What is the difference between equals and triple equals in JavaScript? The triple equals operator checks for equality of values after type coercion, meaning it converts the operands to the same type before comparing them. The triple equals operator, on the other hand, checks for both value and type, so no type conversion is done. Question 4. What is the this keyword in JavaScript? The this keyword refers to the context in which a function is called. Its value can change depending on how the function is invoked, such as in a method, a constructor, or a regular function call. Question 5. What are JavaScript promises? Promises are objects that represent the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. They have 3 states: pending, fulfilled, and rejected, and they allow you to chain asynchronous operations with .then and .touch methods. Question 6. What is the difference between null and undefined? Undefined means a variable has been declared but has not yet been assigned a value. A null, on the other hand, is an assignment value that represents no value or no object. Question 7. What is the difference between for each and map in arrays? For each is used to iterate over an array and execute a provided function on each element, but it does not return a value. Map, on the other hand, creates a new array with the results of calling a function on every element in the original array. Question 8. What is the event loop in JavaScript? The event loop is a mechanism that allows JavaScript to perform non-blocking operations by continuously checking the call stack and the callback queue. It ensures that the main thread is not blocked and that asynchronous code runs smoothly. Question 9. What are arrow functions and how do they differ from regular functions? Arrow functions are a shorter syntax for writing functions that do not have down this context, so they inherit this from the enclosing scope. This makes them particularly useful in situations where you need to maintain the context of this. Question 10. What is the difference between call, apply, and bind in JavaScript? Call is a method that allows you to invoke a function with a specific this value and arguments provided individually. Apply is similar to call, but it takes an array of arguments instead of individual arguments. Bind returns an a function that, when called, has its this value set to a specific value. It also allows you to reset some arguments.